Good morning this Wednesday, the 24th of January. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. The local market advanced 0.51% on Tuesday, tracking Wall Street's rally and led locally by the healthcare sector jumping 1.02%. Heavyweight healthcare stocks including CSL and Cochlear gained 1.4% and 1.7% respectively, while sleep apnea device maker ResMed lifted 1.9% on Tuesday. As the recent story of the mining front goes, Karoon Energy joined the lowered production guidance train yesterday as the company lowered its Brazil production guidance for 2024, blaming operational issues at its Borna project in November for the downgrade. Investors naturally sold out of Karoon Energy shares yesterday, sending the price down 3.8%. Judo Bank, on the other hand, soared 16.8% yesterday after the company posted a 24% jump in profit before tax for the first half, driven by continued above-system lending growth and stronger net interest margins, which have peaked for the Big Four banks. NAB business confidence data for December, released yesterday, also boosted market sentiment as business confidence rose to -1 point for the month, up from -8 points in November and well above economists' expectations of -7 points, in a sign business conditions are improving. It was a mixed session on Wall Street on Tuesday, with the Dow Jones retreating from record territory to close the day down 0.25% following the release of some disappointing earnings results, while the Nasdaq and S&P 500 each ended the day up 0.43% and 0.3% respectively. Investors used Tuesday's session to pause and take some profits after it was confirmed that the S&P 500 is officially in bull market territory and the Dow Jones hit a new record high on Monday. United Airlines rose more than 6% on Tuesday after reporting stronger than expected fourth quarter results. However, the airline said it expects a first quarter loss due to the grounding of the Boeing 737 MAX 9 airplanes across the US. General Electric shares slipped 1% on Tuesday following the issuance of weaker than expected guidance, while Johnson & Johnson also dipped over 1% after the healthcare giant said the company's pharma division sales will be lower in the second half of 2024. In Europe, overnight, markets retreated as Eurozone flash consumer confidence data fell to -16.1 points for January from -15 points in December, which was against economists' expectations of an improvement to -14.3 points, in a sign consumer confidence in the European economy continues to slide. The Stoxx 600 fell 0.25% on Tuesday, while Germany's DAX and the French CAC each lost 0.34%, and in the UK the FTSE 100 ended the day mostly flat. Across the Asia markets, Hong Kong's Hang Seng rebounded almost 3% on Tuesday to lead gains among the Asia markets, while Japan's Nikkei closed marginally lower after the Bank of Japan maintained its ultra-low interest rate of -0.1% for another month. The Hang Seng rallied after Bloomberg reported Chinese authorities were considering a stimulus package worth 2 trillion won to stabilise the country's stock markets. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.74% lower at $74.20 a barrel. Gold is up 0.15% at $2,024 an ounce, and iron ore is flat at $132.5 a tonne. One Aussie dollar is buying 66 US cents, 97.41 Japanese yen, 51.96 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 8 cents. Ahead of the local midweek trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX to open 0.17% higher, tracking gains on the Nasdaq and S&P 500 overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has maintained a buy rating on Coronado Global Resources, but has slightly decreased the 12-month price target on the leading pure-play metallurgical coal producer, following the release of the company's December quarterly sales that met Bell Potter expectations. However, revenue fell significantly short of Bell Potter's expected $887 million. CRN also reported full-year CY23 saleable production was 15.8 million tonnes at mining costs of $107.6, which were 3% and 8% misses on guidance respectively. And Trading Central has identified a bearish signal on Pengana Private Equity Trust following the formation of a pattern over a period of 15 15 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may fall from the close of $1.42 to the range of $1.30 to $1.32, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this morning. Happy Wednesday and happy investing.